my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. Thank you for coming back and for watching this video today. Please watch to the end. Thumbs up, give this video a like. Please subscribe, make sure your notifications are turned on and all of these wonderful things. You will be notified every time I upload a video. And again, please watch the video to the end. If your intentions is not to do that, I'm gonna gently ask you to click off this video now and please unsubscribe, because I would rather you do that than to watch my videos for 2 minutes. It's not helping my watch time hours. So of course, we're all on this YouTube streets for a reason, and we're here to support one another, and I give so many support to you guys, and I watch your videos fully to the end. Please do the same for me. I'm asking you guys nicely, okay? And so I just want to share with you guys the things that I use on my body for the winter. I mean, winter is rough, winter is hot. If you're living in a country where it's warm 365 a year, hallelujah for you, good for you. Well, not. I am living in Canada. I'm in North America. And of course, winter season is just a little bit rough sometimes. I mean, so far so good. This year we're just in the second or so week of January, and not bad, but it's still the winter season. So of course I take so much care of myself during the winter season. I take care of myself all the time. And I think I would say for the last maybe 2.5, 3 years, I have taken my self-care so seriously. I mean, I am very selfish with myself. I mean, I take care of everything, because I think when I do take care of my body, my skin, it's really good for my mental health. I feel really good about myself when I do stuff like that. And I think it's very important for everybody to just take a moment and just take care of you. Take care of yourselves. So I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I use on this body for the winter. Let's just get right into this video. Enough blabbing. So you guys heard me talk about Nakery Beauty before. This is one of the most luxurious, beautiful, affordable skincare and beauty line you can ever try. And I've shown you guys the body butters before. This is the pressed oil melt, and this is magical, I'm telling you. It has this beautiful, warm, wintry scent. It smells beautiful. It's a way that I want to smell during the winter. You get out of your shower, you put this on your body, smells so nice. This is what the product looks like, okay? This is like an oil, but here is the magic. Let me just show you. So I'm just going to take my wand, and I'm going to put a little bit of this in the back of my hand. You think because this is an oil melt, this is going to make your skin greasy and oily. I am going to rub this all over my hands right now, as you can see. Okay, now this just drinks right into your skin. It's like your skin is saying, thank you for giving me this moisture, this elasticity, giving me this hydration. It's helping with my dry skin. This has gone right into my skin. Do you see any greasiness on my hand? Absolutely not. You can use this on your face and all over your body. This is an incredible product. It smelled so good, but very, very, very mild. And of course, I have 3 of them. And you heard me talk about the body butters before. I've shown you guys the body butters. If you haven't seen them, it's on my website, sassyover55.com. Check out the website. You're going to see all the things we're talking about today. Again, here we go. Please check out their website and get yourself some of these. You will not regret it at all. And I've also talked about MSM before. I mean, the body scrubs and the body butters. Oh my God. So look what I got here. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Do you see the big mama tub right now? Do you see that? Let me just open this for you guys to show you. Now, this is the body cream. Now, this one is the sweet orange and vanilla. Try to imagine orange and vanilla scented. The most amazing, beautiful scent ever. Oh my God, if I can eat this up, I will, to be honest. Okay, again with my wand, because I don't like to dip my hands into the products, I am going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hands. Now, if you want to have the most beautiful skin, like your skin was when you were a teenager, when you don't have to worry about makeup and skincare. That beautiful, soft, supple, beautiful skin. when you're in the sun or on a vacation, your skin is beautiful, your pores are nicely open, and your skin is nice and supple. This is what this body butter is going to do for you. I mean, look at my hand. Look at my hands right now. Okay, again, it just melts right into your skin and it smells amazing. Vanilla and orange scented. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then you can layer this with your perfumes or your body sprays or whatever you like. This is a massive tub. I'm just going to hold it to the side because the screen, my camera is very dark right now. So this is it right here. You get, again, a good size tub. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, or check out the website. You are going to see exactly where you can get these. And of course, this is the body scrub. Oh my God. You guys would have seen this before in the past. I'm going to try to link the video for you guys as well. And the oils in this, oh my God. I don't want to hold this too close for you guys because there's oils in here. But I'm going to tell you something, guys. This body scrub would last me for at least 2 years. 2 winters, because all you need is just a little bit of this body scrub on your hands. I really don't want to dip my hands into it, guys, because oh my God, look at it. I mean, and this is a massive tub, and all you need is just a little bit of this. A little bit of this goes such a long way, and your skin is going to thank you. You're going to use your body scrub first, and then you're going to go in with your body butters. Amazing. And you just dive right into your blanket, on your couch, or maybe on your bed. Life is good. And this is the Sleep Body Butter, and this is from Marks and Spencer, because I got this in London. And this really helps me to relax and go to sleep. I also layer this as well. It's almost finished. I got a whole bunch of these when I was in London, when I came back to Canada. This really helps you to relax and go to sleep. It is so pretty. This is a Sleep Body Butter. If you do live in London, Marks and Spencer. If you live in the US, Marks and Spencer. And this is the lotion, and this is the body butter. This is a little bit, the body butters are always a little bit thicker, and the lotions are always a little bit lighter. They both work the same. I tend to layer both as well. Just try to imagine after a beautiful shower, your body scrub, your body butter, and then you go in with your sleep body lotion from, this is a Ragdalehall. Take care of yourself, folks. Take care of yourselves. And this is also one of my favorite sleep body butters as well. This is from the White Company. And of course, the White Company in London. Ooh, my hands are greasy, so I'm trying to open this up. There it is. Okay, and again, a little bit of this goes a long way. And I usually rub this right around my neck and just right under the boob area. And so just rub this all over my body, just around my neck, just around my chest, because at least when you lay down, you get this beautiful warm scent of relaxation that comes into your nostrils, and you feel so calm, and then you relax, and of course you fall asleep. And this smells amazing. Amazing, guys. Beautiful. If you live in the US, you can get this. The White Company, I think, is also in the United States, but of course it's also in London, UK. You can get this from there as well. If you live in the US, Marks and Spencer, you can get these from there as well, or just order online. Okay, so we are going to leave it here for today. These are some of my beautiful, luxurious, decadent body creams and body butters that I use for the winter to really help my skin stay moisturized and hydrated and plump and all of that wonderful goodness. And of course, they are already on sassyover55.com, but I'm going to leave them again in the description box for you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.